Hey y'all, it's your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. If you are not already a subscriber of mine, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. If you are new, welcome. And if you are a current subscriber, you know what it is. Welcome back. So the reason why I have my mask on at the beginning of this video, because y'all, I am a nurse if you don't know, full-time, and I am behind the scenes, and let me just say, I am watching the numbers climb. The numbers for COVID, the variant, and the other strains are climbing. So please, please, please wear your masks. Keep your hands washed. Keep your hands out your face as much as possible. Teach your kids about the hand washing and keeping their hands out of their faces. The numbers in the schools are increasing. The numbers in daycares are increasing. The numbers just in general are increasing. Everybody is pretty much exposed to COVID at this point. And yeah, if you don't know, I did recently suffer from the COVID virus back in September, and I am still having the post-COVID symptoms of shortness of breath from time to time. I often have to use an inhaler. Never had to use an inhaler before. I don't have asthma, so please take this seriously, y'all. Continue to wash your hands. Teach your children to wash their hands. Disinfect your home as much as possible. Bleach down your common areas such as doorknobs, door handles, on your bathrooms, on your bathrooms, your front door, your kitchen, the refrigerator handles, countertops, your drawers that you constantly open and close, bedroom doors, anything that's a common area where you and your family members commonly touched. Even sanitize your car doors, car handles, your steering wheel that you often touch and don't realize that you go from your workplace to your car, from your car to your home to your car, and etc. So please make sure that you carry hand sanitizer, and then continue to wear your mask, because this COVID is serious. So for those of you who still think this COVID stuff is a gimmick, I don't know, until you actually have a family member that gets it, or until you get it on your own, I don't know what to tell you, but it's real. But anyway, the main reason for this video today, and please excuse, yes, I still got my Christmas tree up because I don't feel like taking it down yet. I might take it down at the end of this month, but I'm not ready to take it down yet. But anyway, so if you have been following me, you know that I have recently suffered after COVID major hair loss, and my hair began to fall out a whole lot. So I decided to, as I told y'all in my previous video, I felt like I was going to give up on my hair journey, but I decided to pick it back up, and then I started back using the Blue Magic with castor oil, and the regular Blue Magic, and then the Blue Magic Super Grow. So I don't, of course, use them all at the same time. I alternate between them, and I probably oil my scalp or try to every other day. And as you can see, my hair is starting to get back into the hair health it was in before, and I have noticed less shedding. I started, as I told y'all, I was going to start some vitamins, so I picked up these Mielle, I'll post a picture of these Mielle Healthy Hair Adult Vitamins. They contain biotin, and they are berry flavored. I cannot remember, maybe I spent about $10 or $15 for these, and it comes with 60 gummies, and you take 2 a day. And I haven't taken mine today, so I'll take them now, but this is what they look like. I don't know if you can see them. They are berry flavored, and they are gummies. So if you are not one that likes to take medicine or swallow tablets, I'm gonna have to pause, restart this video. It's kind of rude to be chewing on my camera, but it's like really sweet. Tastes like fruit snacks. Okay, and I'm gonna need water after that, but woo. So I'm not a candy eater, so these gummies are really, really sweet. They taste nothing like medicine or a vitamin or anything that is supposed to take like a dietary supplement. It tastes just like candy, like seriously. They're berry flavored and taste exactly like a freaking fruit snack. But anyway, so if you don't, and I really do think these are working. I have noticed growth in my nails. I cut them down, but I have noticed like the whites, tips of my nails have gotten wider. And now that I think about it, I have noticed that I started getting some, I don't know if you can see it, like baby acne around here. I don't know if it's because of something that's in these Mielle vitamins, but it just dawned on me that I didn't start breaking out until I started taking these vitamins. But anyway, I'm gonna continue these vitamins because like I said, y'all, my hair is doing really well right now. And if you didn't know, in a previous video, I did go ahead and dye my hair blue in the back. And eventually I'm gonna probably dye my whole hair, my whole head. I don't know yet, but right now it's just like the very lower part of it. I'll post a video. I have a video that I'm editing now to show you how I achieve that color, and I haven't posted that yet. But anyway, so my main reason for this video again was to tell you about the Mielle vitamins. I hope I'm saying that correctly, but I really like these and really do feel like they're effective. I just started taking them maybe about 2 weeks ago, and my hair is shown less shedding. It has gotten thicker, and like I said, I have noticed changes in my nails as well. Maybe the negative effect might be the little bit of acne that I'm starting to see here on my forehead, but then again, it could be something else. I don't know, but it's not bad to the point where I'm gonna stop taking these vitamins. I really like these vitamins, and I really think they're working, so I'm gonna continue taking them, and when I run out, I'm gonna buy some more, because I really think it's working for my hair. And in addition to going back to the Blue Magic brand of hair grease, regular hair grease, and then also taking my vitamins and increasing my water intake, and I've also changed my diet. So I have been eating more vegetables, trying to eat more fruit. I am not a fruit eater, but I am trying to eat more fruit in hopes to help continue this hair journey. If you all know, I am 100% natural now, and I really enjoy the new texture of my hair, and it's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be to maintain. You just gotta learn your hair, that's it. Like, it took me 3 rounds before I got to finally to the point where I actually made it to actually transition the whole way to natural. And it was a process, and at times I do get frustrated because it does seem to dry out a lot. So the most important thing to continue your hair growth and to retain length and to keep it from breaking is to make sure that you are retaining moisture. That's the most important rule, is to make sure that you're retaining moisture, because if you're not retaining moisture and your hair is dry and brittle, it's gonna break. It will literally snap. So make sure you're drinking plenty of water, take your daily vitamins. You don't necessarily have to take these. They have multiple out there, but like I said, I was taking a multivitamin, I think it was Centrum, and that wasn't doing anything for me, and it also gave me really bad headaches. But I tried this Mielle vitamin, and I really like these, so I think I'm going to stick to these. And I was looking at the comparison between these and the Mielle, and a lot of the supplements that are in here, such as the A, C, D, and E, kind of exceeded the amount that was in the Centrum, so that is a really good benefit. The only thing is that this does have 3 grams of sugar in it. So if you are diabetic or anything like that, you want to watch your sugar intake, considering you're taking 2 of these a day. And so yeah, that's all I have to say about these. And before I go, I'll be working on the body scrubs for the wild berry scented shower gels and shower lotion that I showed y'all in my last video. So I now have the 4 ounces available. These are $4.99 on the website, and the 8 ounces are on sale. The 8 ounces are $9.99. The lotions are $15.99, but they're on sale right now for $9.99. So they'll be on sale for a limited time only. Again, now I have the 4 ounces if you would like to try the smaller size first before you buy the bigger size. These are the shower gels, the wild berry scented shower gels, for $4.99 on the website. Visit realbluecosmetics.com, and if you subscribe to the mailing list, there is a discount code that I will shoot you in your email once you subscribe. So join our mailing list. So all you have to do is go to realbluecosmetics.com and join the subscribe to the emailing list. And then also we have our own app, so you can download the app if you like to be if you are more of a mobile user friendly, you know what I'm trying to say. But if you prefer to shop from your phone, we do also have a app. And if you can if you want to DM me or shoot me a comment in the comment section down below, I can send you that link, or you can simply go to the website and then just subscribe and download the app from there. It's the Wix app. So again, these are 4 ounces on the website, wild berry scented shower gels, and also they have lotions. And I'll be uploading a video soon of and also posting to the website the actual wild berry scented body scrubs. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And I think that is all I have for today. So again, if you are not already a subscriber, please do not forget to subscribe. And if you've made it this far, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more. I have a lot more in store as far as body scrubs, lotions, and more. And I have more scents coming, more fun colors and things like that. So stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. You know what to do. Notification bell. Over here, like down there, subscribe, notification bell, so you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.